Yes, the struggle to have to reform our constitutional democracy to make it all-inclusive and provide avenue for justice, equity, and fairness has not been lost. The decision on the floor of the House today not to allow the bill for 6 years single term for power to rotate between North and South, and all elections to be hold in one day, not to scale third reading, does not mark and does not put an end to the agitation and hope that will realize this objective. This is a temporary setback which does not affect the campaign for all-inclusive democratic process. We're going to review these decisions and then look at other options of continuing this advocacy and find possible ways of reintroducing it after following due legislative procedures and timelines. But all I can tell Nigerians is that be rest assured that we'll continue the advocacy and the legislative efforts to ensure that we'll convince our colleagues to see the reasons why we should have a 6-year single-term presidency and for power to rotate between North and South, and for all elections to be held in one day. If elections is held in one day, it will reduce costs, it will bring more participation and vigilance, and also it will help to reduce rigging, because the accreditation used in announcing the status of assembly election will be the same for the presidency, it cannot change. And if power is to rotate between North and South, it will help to de-escalate political tension, bring sense of inclusivity and justice, equity, and fairness for every part of the country. And 6 years single term will go a long way in helping elected leaders focus on delivering on their democratic mandate and agenda. And there will be no room for all the expenses that were now, it's turning into a second kind of business for people to go for second term with so much waste and division and crisis. So what I'm saying in effect is that all hope is not lost for on the issue of having a 6-year single term and power to rotate between North and South. We'll continue it, and I can assure you that after following all the necessary legislative procedure, we will reintroduce the bill again, and we hope that our colleagues will join us to ensure that it passes this time.